Hello everyone, this is Vrushali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In previous session we discussed about stop and wait protocol with example. I have mentioned a complete computer network subject playlist link in below description box. Now in today's session we will discuss the next important topic, that is sliding window protocols. Let's start the session. At the end of this session, you should learn about types of sliding protocols with example, and at the end we will discuss a question bank. Now, the first point is what exactly sliding window protocol. See, sliding window protocol generally used in data link layer of OSI model, and it is also used in TCP protocol. The main purpose of this protocol is sender send multiple frames, multiple information at the same time to the receiver, and this each frame having their own sequence number. So basically, sender sends sequentially each frame to the receiver at the same time. And due to sequence number, it is easy to find out any missing data on receiver side. So basically, sliding window protocol send multiple information at the same time to the receiver, and it avoid the duplicate data. There are two types of sliding window protocol, like GoBackN ARQ protocol and Selective Repeat ARQ protocol. Let's discuss it one by one. Now, the first protocol stands for Go Back N Automatic Repeat Request Protocol. It works in data link layer of OSI model. It manages the complete communication between sender and the receiver. Through this protocol, sender send multiple frames at the same time to the receiver. For that purpose, sender having the fixed size window. See here. Suppose sender want to send 0 to 10 information to the receiver. So sender first decide their window size. Suppose window size equal to 4. Means they send first 4 frame at a time. After that they send next 4 frames. So this is called as sliding window. And this 4 is called as fixed size, which is denoted by n. On receiver side, their size is 1. Means sender send 4 frames, but receiver receive only 1 frame at a time. Clear? Let's understand with example. See here in this example. Suppose sender want to send 0 to 10 information to the receiver. So sender first decide their window size, that is n equal to 4. Means they send 4 frames at a time. Clear? See here in this diagram, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Sender send 4 frames at a time to the receiver. Next step, these 4 frames sent to the receiver. Receiver receive only 1 frame at a time. Okay? And receiver send acknowledgement of the first frame. In this sliding window, first is 0, right? So they send acknowledgement of the 0th frame to the sender. Clear? On the next step, sender send next 4 frames. Okay? See. Now sender send 1, 2, 3 and 4. See here, 1, 2, 3 and 4 to the receiver. Receiver receive only first frame in this sliding window, and the first frame is 1. So receiver received first frame and they send acknowledgement to the sender. Clear? Next. Now after that, sender send next 4 frame like 2, 3, 4 and 5. See here, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sent to the receiver. And receiver received the first frame only, and they send acknowledgement of first frame only. Okay, now they send acknowledgement of 2 to the sender, that they received a particular information correctly. Now what happened here, this acknowledgement is lost in network due to some network error, due to some environmental error. Okay, now what happened in go back and ARQ protocol. Okay, see here, this acknowledgement is lost in network, right? Now, the name suggests that go back to 2. Which frame is lost? 2. Okay. So, from 2, they retransmit this frame again to the receiver. Like 2, 3, 4 and 5. See here, this acknowledgement is lost. So, they again move to 2 and send this frame again to the receiver like 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, this is called as go back and ARQ protocol. This is a error free protocol. Each and every frame reach to the receiver correctly. See here, 0, 1, 2, 3, receiver send acknowledgement of 0, then sender send 1, 2, 3, 4, receiver send acknowledgement of the 1, then sender send 2, 3, 4, 5, receiver sent acknowledgement of 2, but it didn't reach to the sender. Then they again send 2, 3, 4, 5 to the receiver. They retransmit those frames to the receiver. Clear? This is called as go back and ARQ protocol. Now, the next protocol stands for Selective Repeat Automatic Repeat Request Protocol. So it is the advanced version of go back and ARQ protocol. GoBackN ARQ protocol is generally work when there are fewer errors are there. But if there are lot of errors in frame or lot of errors in information, at that time selective repeat ARQ protocol is used. It also used in data link layer of OSI model. Basically, it provides efficient data transmission and fastest recovery of data in network. Now let's discuss it with working. Yes, see here. This is the same example as go back and ARQ protocol. See, suppose sender want to send 0 to 10 information to the receiver. Their n is equal to 4. This is the window size. Means they send 4 frame at a time to the receiver. See here, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Clear? Now, receiver send acknowledgement of only first frame, that is 0th frame, to the sender. Now in next step, sender send next 4 frame to the receiver like 1, 2, 3 and 4. See here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Receiver receives the frame and send acknowledgement only first frame to the receiver. Clear? That is 0 then 1. Now after that, sender send next frame like 2, 3, 4, 5 to the receiver. Next 4 as per the window 2, 3, 4 and 5. Clear? Now receiver receive those frame and send acknowledgement of this 2 to the sender. But here also due to some network error, due to some environmental error, this acknowledgement didn't reach to the sender. Now what happened? In go back and ARQ protocol, they retransmit those frame again to the receiver, right? But here in repeat request protocol, they send only missing data, missing frame to the receiver. Means here second acknowledgement is not got by the sender, right? So they send only 2 frame to the receiver. See here. So here they send this acknowledgement is 2 acknowledgement didn't received by the receiver. So sender sent only 2 frame, second frame to the receiver. And with that they send next frame like 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, next 4 frame to the receiver. Clear? So this is called as selective repeat ARQ protocol. In go back and ARQ protocol, they retransmit all 4 frames or sliding window at a time to the receiver. But in selective repeat ARQ protocol, they send only missing frame, not a complete window, only missing frame to the receiver. Now this is all about protocol. As per your exam point of view, they ask what is sliding window protocol, how it works. Here you have to explain both protocols with some small example for 6 marks and explain go back and ARQ protocol for 4 marks. So this is all about sliding window protocols. Thank you. Keep learning.